In this class, you are learning how the rubric is the quality criteria for the products that you are producing on your project. The quality criteria for any project is what the products have to adhere to be accepted. In your rubric, there is an item called assignment specifics, and it explains that you earn a maximum of 1 point for completing everything that the assignment instructs you to do. 1 point. 1 point is 10% of the entire possible assignment value. So when you get so focused on just the assignment specifics that you only address them and you ignore the rest of the rubrics, how can you earn the other 9 points on your assignment if you're so only focused on that 1 point? You can't. And when you realize that you've done this, that you've put too much emphasis on the assignment specifics, you're just buried in the assignment specifics, you can't even see the rest of the rubric items. It can be very hard to be honest with yourself and tell yourself that you've done this, that you've only addressed 10% of the assignment. So even if you've invested an incredible amount of time on the assignment specifics, you still have only addressed 10% of what that assignment is all about. So you need to refocus on what that assignment, all of it has, and realize that the assignment specifics is only 10% of the total value of that assignment. How do you do that after you've invested so much time? Well, again, it's hard. This stuff is hard. It is really hard to acknowledge you've invested all those hours, and those hours are only going to get you 10% of the total value for the assignment. You've got to invest, relatively speaking, you've got to invest twice as much in those other 4 rubric areas where there are twice as many points as what you put into the assignment specifics. So for the students who use the rubric and that they start out doing the assignments with all of those rubric areas in mind, and they allow the rubric to lead them through the entire assignment instead of the assignment specifics to lead them through the assignment, those students find that they have a much easier time of addressing every single one of the rubric areas when they use those rubric areas to guide them from day one, from the start of the assignment.